Welcome back. Did you know today is National Typewriter Day, and the classic writing machine is the center of a celebration this weekend?
I'm glad to know that today's that day. Stephanie Rodriguez explains the hometown connection.
Did you know the typewriter was born in Milwaukee? 150 years ago, the typewriter was created.
I had no idea what that meant in Milwaukee. That's news to me, and it's so cool.
We have the beer, we got the cheese, the motorcycles, all that is just awesome. But let's put typewriters on that short list.
A revolutionary invention with a feature still being used today.
The keyboard that we have on our phones, on our computers, was also invented by this guy who was from Milwaukee.
So celebrating the typewriter's birthday with the first ever QWERTY Fest makes sense.
QWERTY is the letters on the top row, the first 5 letters on the top left of the top row of the keyboard.
The weekend-long event bringing together lovers of the century-old machine.
I bought a typewriter before I bought a bed.
Who think nothing compares to this often forgotten device.
I really love writing, and I just like the old school feel of the typewriter and the little bell.
As someone who really loves poetry and someone who's a product of the digital age, it's easy to type a poem on a phone, but to actually type it on a typewriter just feels more intentional and I think more meaningful.
It's not just for letters and poems. You can even make music with it.
Wasn't that cute?
Yeah,
Really cool.
so neat.
Really cool.
Okay, you guys, so I did learn some typewriter keyboard facts while I was there.
Okay.
Ooh.
So I have a question. If you were to guess which hand the keyboard favors, which hand would you assume?
Right.
I guess even though I'm right-handed, I feel like on a keyboard I'm more left, but I don't know.
Natalie is the winner, yes. The woman explained to me, the organizer, that for some reason it favors the left hand. So shout out to all our lefties out there.
I feel like maybe the better letters are over there.
Yeah, maybe, right?
There's some kind of advantage because they got to write their whole life getting ink on their hands and stuff
Yeah,
like that.
That's very true.
Such a satisfying sound too, Steph. That
It
was
is.
a really great story.